Welcome back. Every special person in the world has the right to learn and earn. Government Polytechnic Panji have been conducting various programs for disabled persons. They conduct the program under the Government of India scheme for integrating persons with disabilities in the mainstream of technical and vocational education. Government Polytechnic Panji, in association with the Department of Social Welfare and Department of Technical Education, held a formal and non-formal teaching courses for disabled persons in the state. These programs are conducted under the Government of India integrating persons with disabilities. Director of Technical Education Vivek Kamath, Director of Social Welfare Sanjeev Gadkar, faculty member of Government Polytechnic Institute and others were present. The newly appointed Director of Social Welfare has promised full support to disabled people in the state.
Getting students or getting people in this category is difficult. Let me tell you, I have just taken over the Department of Social Welfare as Director of Social Welfare 2 days back, on Friday. And I assure you that not only to the children but also to the institution that whatever help required from our side will definitely be there for you whenever you call for us.
Developing the confidence itself is not an easy task. Once that confidence is developed, then yes, I agree to some extent that the teaching part of it and of course the learning part of it is not that difficult, provided you enjoy the teaching and learning part.
Around 25 disabled people had participated in the recently concluded non-formal course at Panji. The items prepared by them were kept on display. Our reporter from Panji, Devendra Gaonkar, with video journalist Sushant Pal. And now news from sports. East Bengal have kept Dempo Sports Club waiting to lift their 5th title after the Bengal Giants scored a 4-3 victory over Chirag United. Dempo would have been crowned I-League champions had East Bengal not won on Monday afternoon. Dempo, however, are at the top of the table and just need a draw from their remaining 2 matches. East Bengal kept their mathematical title chances alive by getting the better of Chirag United Kerala in a high-scoring encounter in Kolkata.
Just come off for Chirag United if they're not careful. Goes easily past the 2 Ghanaian defenders. Slots it past Sharath. Isaac Boake was giving chase in hot pursuit. Couldn't do much. Couldn't stop the shot. Bouncing around inside the circle. Questions need to be asked obviously at the back of Bablu. He let that one go for Chirag United Kerala. Hamming it in hard on the volley. And it's 3. All the hard work, all the perseverance finally bears fruit for him. Laid on a platter really by that wonderful pass from Penorji. Did well to run wide down the right. Take it past. Brilliant solo goal here from Sunday. This is what the I-League is all about. Chirag United Kerala punching above their weight. Twisting, turning, great finish. You would have thought that it was going to be an uphill battle for Chirag United Kerala. Have they risen to the challenge? How's that for an opportunistic finish? Keeping his head quite literally. And I say great because it was his perseverance really. And being alive to the situation after it was spilled over there by Sharath in under the bar for Chirag United. Probably one of the easiest goals at Kerala. Was a mistake from Mehtab Hussain that first created that possibility.
After a fantastic victory over Sporting Club de Goa on Sunday evening at Fatorda, Dempo assistant coach Mauricio Afonso was visibly delighted. However, he did not want to jump the gun by declaring their champion triumph before East Bengal's match.
I will not say we are not champion.
Tomorrow's match
East Bengal is playing. If something happens, draw and all, then we can say.
Yeah. Okay.
I will not agree that we are champion. Still, because talking first is not good. And first half, though we scored first, we did not play that well. A bit slow and too many missed passes. But in the second half, we came very strongly. We scored in the second, third, 4th minute, I think so, in the second half. That was very boosting for us. I cannot talk right now because Renty has not told anything. The season is not yet over.
Sporting Club de Goa did not just have it in them to stop the Dempo juggernaut.
in the first session, in the first half, in the early hours of about 20 minutes, we missed 5-6 chances in the first session. And if we convert in the first session at least 1 or 2 goals, then we can face it. In the second session, Dempo played some more possession game of balls now. And even though we could get some creation of scoring chances, but we could not. And however, the Dempo did not miss any chances. That is why.
With bureau inputs, our reporter from Fatorda, Sameer Bhatt. The GCA Stars Sarvodaya 3 days GPL match is set to start afresh from Tuesday. GCA Stars had lost half their side with less than 40 runs on board when the academy side complained to the umpires of an unplayable pitch. The umpires and match referee have decided to start the match from scratch, inclusive of a fresh toss. The teams too will have the liberty to select a fresh set of 11 players. The Goa Professional League 3-day tournament is at a crucial juncture. With T20 champs Salgaonkar already in the finals, 3 other teams are vying for the other spot in the finals of the 3-day tournament. However, it's confirmed Sarvodaya Royals bowlers will have to start from scratch. But this time around, the pitch will be a different one. Sunday's pitch was filled with demons, and so was the opinion of both sets of players. So the Sarvodaya batters will not really mind the restart, as a few Sarvodaya batsmen themselves were petrified to bat when their turn came around. The pitch, which was used by the women's team before they left for Delhi for an invitational trophy, will be utilised for this tie scheduled on Tuesday. However, the stakes will still remain the same. Sarvodaya Royals need to win to have a chance to make it to the finals against Salgaonkar Sports Club. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our news bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.